In this video, I'm going to show you how you can cash out of your Shiba, Bone, or Leash. We're going to use three things: Shibaswap.com that you see right now, Coinbase Wallet, the Coinbase Wallet, which looks like this, and Coinbase.com that looks like this. So if you don't have a Coinbase.com account, click on the link below to get your account, because we're going to show you how to do this very simple. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Let's go ahead and dive into this content. Now, you want to cash out of your Shiba, Bone, or Leash. It's going to come a time that you're going to want to do that, and I understand. That's why I'm doing this video. Now, what we're going to do is cash out of our Bone to USDT. That's a stable coin. It's called Tether. That's on the Ethereum blockchain, and it is on Coinbase.com and the Coinbase Wallet. You see what I'm getting at? We're just swapping out it right now because Bone, Shiba, and Leash, as I'm recording this video, is not on there right now. So we're going to swap for it. We're going to make sure our Coinbase Wallet is ready to go. Let me see here. I'm going to go here. And so it'll be a fee involved. Let me go ahead and confirm. I'm going to cancel that. I'm going to start over again. Maximize. I'm going to maximize that. Maximize. Let's maximize there. We're going to confirm the fee. Confirm the fee. Oh, got to bring this back up. Wolf there. So now it's a pending transaction. That's all we did was swap Bone for USDT. And what's going to happen is, it's going to show up right here. It's going to show up right here. Now, normally what you want to do is do this transaction usually at night because the fees are lower. The fees here was about $20, just to be transparent with you. Normally what I would do is do this late at night, but I wanted to do this actually training right now because I think it's important to do it. So once this transaction goes through, it's pending right now, it's going to show up in my Coinbase Wallet. Coinbase Wallet, yes. So it may take a little while. Hopefully it won't take too long for this to happen. I'll bring back my Coinbase Wallet account and it will show up in here. So you see this Tether? See that Tether USDT? It will show up right here on my Coinbase Wallet. Now, if you don't already have this already, I will click on the link below and start out a Coinbase.com account, and it will look just like this. It looks just like this. I can look at it on my phone as well. So if I go back to the Coinbase Wallet, if I go here, I go home. You see this little logo there? That's Coinbase.com. This is Coinbase Wallet right there. Coinbase Wallet, Coinbase.com. Coinbase.com. Look, you see the difference? Well, actually not difference. It looks exactly the same. This is Coinbase.com on the desktop. This is Coinbase.com on your mobile device. So, let's go here. So what we're going to do here is going to go back and see if this transaction is still pending. So you want to start out an account on Coinbase.com. Now, one thing I also would tell you to do, make sure you have Ethereum fees. Make sure you have a budget for all the fees. Now, there will be a fee when you're swapping, of course, and there'll be another fee as well when you're doing the transaction on Coinbase Wallet to Coinbase.com. So what I mean by that is, once this transaction goes through, what will happen is let me go back to home and Coinbase Wallet. Okay, this pending transaction finally went through. So then what will happen is we're going to wait, or maybe it's in here already. Hope it's there. Said it was there. Okay, so it's there already. So what will happen is when I send this, that's the Tether that we traded for, Bone USD, and here's the Coinbase Wallet. This is the Coinbase Wallet, okay? We're going to send, we're going to maximize, because we're going to send all of it, and then we're going to hit next, and then suggested. You can send this to different places now, but we want to send it to Coinbase.com, that exchange. We want to send it to the US decentralized exchange, Coinbase.com. There is another fee involved. This is what I was telling you about. There is a fee for moving your stuff from Coinbase Wallet to Coinbase.com, or sending it anywhere. If I was using myself in Coinbase Wallet and send it over to crypto.com, there's going to be a minor fee involved. So I'll click on send. It's asking me for my PIN. That's why it's blacked out. And it's sending it this over. I'll show you. Sending this over here. Coinbase.com. Right? It's sending it Tether here. Now, I already had some Tether in my Coinbase.com account. So I'm going to go ahead and sign and cash out of this while the other one's on its way. I already had this already here for you because it may take a few extra minutes from that Coinbase Wallet Tether USD to Coinbase.com. So all you would do once this gets landed on your Tether account, remember, I'm going to go to Home, Portfolio. Let me go to Coinbase.com. Same thing. There's a Coinbase.com on the actually desktop. So desktop, I don't know what version you prefer. Here's the wallet on your phone. There's the desktop version. Exactly the same. You see that? So anyway, let's do the desktop version. If I did that, or bring up let me see which one is the faster. So there's a little bit of a delay here. So what will happen is we're gonna go ahead and sign out. We'll sign out, not sign out, cash out of our Tether. That's all we would do. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do it on our, let's do it on our phone here. Here, trade, sell cash for USDT. That's what we're gonna do. Sell cash for USDT. That's what we're gonna do. So look at this. And we can do the same thing on the desktop. There's the same thing on the desktop. Send all and cash, continue and cash out. The same thing. I don't want to confuse you. So I'm just doing, let me just do it on my phone. So let's do sell USDT. Right there. Maximize. And then sell now. And then I can click sell now. Now, this is the transaction I did earlier. This is the one we just did that I showed you with the swap. So this is actually come over there as well. So if I click sell now, I'm selling it now. Your order was submitted. I view my account. So that Tether now, that USDT is moving over to USD, ready to be cashed out. So you see that US dollar? Click on that US dollar. See that? Withdraw. Bank account is already set up. So when you set up your Coinbase wallet or your Coinbase.com account, when you're signing that out, set up your actually account. If you don't have your bank account set up, what will happen is you can click there and add a payment method. You can always add a payment method at any time during the withdrawal or even deposit process. Just click there, add a payment method. If I already have a payment method, I'll do here. Now, this is interesting as well. If you use your bank card, is your bank card? If you use your bank card, it says instant. It says instant. So for me personally, it took more than a day. It took like a day, 24 hours, and the money was in my account. Now, if you do your bank account, it's 1 to 3 business days, and it's free. But if you do instant, it will be a 55-cent fee. Now, I don't know which one you prefer to do. Probably watching this video, you're probably going to want instant and probably won't mind this to happen. So, and then all I would do is if I want to withdraw, I can do all this. So I can say, hey, I want all of it. $18 and instant is gonna take all of it out. I'm gonna do $18.37. I'm gonna see what it says. It may make me not take all this. Withdraw now, and what happens is funds will arrive instantaneously. You see that? You see that? USD wallet to my bank account. Withdraw amount. Here's a 55 cent. Withdraw now. Look at that. And it's going to my bank account. Your withdrawal request was sent. We will notify you when your withdrawal request is complete. You can check your account for updates. Boom. That's how it's done. See that? And it's done. It is done. It is on its way to my bank account. So that's how you do it. You swap your Bone, Shib, or Leash to USDT, okay? That USDT will go to your Coinbase wallet. So it will go to your Coinbase wallet, which will look like this. It will go right in here, just in your wallet. And then what you would do, you would send that to Coinbase.com that I just showed you, And then you would sell out of that to USD, and then you cash out of your USD account. Very simple and very easy. And let me go to my portfolio real quick. Yeah, it's on its way. It is on its way. It's on its way. Look at that. And the status says complete. It's on its way to the actually bank account. So my name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. You may want to watch this video over and over again to make sure you got it. But this is a way of how you can cash out of your Shiba, Bone, and Leash, because I understand everybody has different plans and you may be ready to cash out. But you can do that with Coinbase.com. Click on the link below to get your free account, basically, and then your Coinbase wallet and also your Shibaswap system. I'll see you on the next video. I hope you have a good day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel.